Namaste. Welcome to DM Astrology. In the series of yearly prediction, we are going to see today a seventh sign that is called Libra. Libra, we all know, is ruled by the Venus. Is a very luxurious sign. Rather than the Taurus, Libra is more liberal towards the pleasure. So let us see what is going to happen to the Libra people for 2022. Those having a horoscope of a Libra, sign of a Libra will going to face what kind of a things entire year. The main changes is happening is that Ketu is entering in your own sign. So Ketu is coming over your moon. So that is from 13th April 2022. The Ketu is entering in your moon sign, and opposite the Rahu is coming in your 7th house. So this is a big change you are going to see. Presently it is in your second house. Now it is coming to your own house, the Ketu. The second change is that Saturn is already in the 4th house. It will leave for the 100 days and again come back to the 4th house. So Saturn will remain in the 4th house, and although it is your Yoga planet, it is not going to cause you any harm. For a certain while it will go to your 5th house and again come back to your 4th house. Jupiter in the 5th house is there, it is going to change to your 6th house, which is also not good for your health. So health aspect, two negative aspects we have seen, Ketu in the ascendant and the Jupiter in the 6th house. And already I said that Rahu is coming to your 7th house. So this is all are the planetary expectation which is going to happen majorly in your sign during 2022. Now we are going to see what will be the result. Because you all are luxury seeking people, having your own lifestyle, standard of living. Now let us see what is going to happen with you during this year. Now the highest priority of everyone is a good health. So let us first speak about the health aspect. Now health aspect, already I told you that being the Ketu from 2nd house, in April it is coming to your 1st house over your moon. So it will maybe creating a dryness. It will not give you a symptoms of feelings which is happening in your inside your body. And Rahu in the 7th house may create some apprehension or fear, or it may be showing some picture which is not a reality. So you have to be very careful, be patient, have a meditation, dhyana, yoga, so that you will not face any dryness during the year. So that is to be taken care of the year as a health aspect. And as after the April, the Jupiter is also coming to your 6th house, may also increase or expand some of our suffering, some of our disease which you are maybe expecting. So be careful about the health. Entire year you have to only focus about your health aspect for 2022. I am not keeping anything into keeping your worries, but you should be very cautious about your health. And health is a wealth. Now let us speak about the wealth. Yes, wealth wise it is a good things. Whatever the things you are not you are not feeling, you are not getting because of the Ketu in the 2nd house. Now is the time that you will be realizing the real growth happening in your financial field. Whatever the money you supposed to get and you are not getting in the entire year 2021, that all are being expected in this year. So that way also it will be benefit for you, and you will be going to get your dues, your financial benefit which you are expecting since long back. So financially obviously it will be a good year, and you will be finding the good growth about the finance, and all your pending funds will be released. Same way in the relation aspect, because that also to be seen from the same place. So related to the relationship also, whatever the feelings you had and you are not getting touch, or you are not getting some emotion between two your relatives, now it will be flow. So you will be able to see what they really feel about you. So your family members, your relatives, your social will now you will be feeling that they are really care about you, and you will be also seeing, you will be also supporting them. So both the way, vice versa, you will be benefiting the relationship aspect also. Old relationship also will be revived and new relationship also will be built. Good way to have a good relationship. Related to the education, as the education house, 4th house Saturn is already there since 2021 and will be continuing this year, and in 5th house Jupiter is there, that will be living. So whether it is normal education, whether it is a higher education, you have to put your 100% or 200% efforts. Those who are studying in the school, 10th standard, 12th standard, degree, university level, they will be also putting lot of efforts. You have to put the efforts to get desired result, as a Saturn remained in the 4th house. And those who are seeking admission in the post graduation, master degree, PhD, they also have to keep much of efforts, as the 5th house Jupiter is living and Saturn is coming. So not to worry, not to have any stress. It will be a good time for you and not going to cause any problem. So don't worry, the Saturn will take care of you. It is a Yoga Karaka. Both the place in 4th house and 5th house, it will be remaining in the own house only, own sign only, and being its Yoga Karaka, it will be supportive to you. So nothing to worry about the education aspect, you are free. Yes, who's under the love affair affection, they will also be benefited, as Saturn will come here, may give you fixing of the relationship. As you have already developed the relationship, see the Saturn Jupiter is there in the your 5th house, also it is only for the 6 months, but during this period whatever the relationship, love, affair and affection you have developed will be fixed. So if you wish to communicate, you can communicate throughout the year till the July, you have a time. So not to worry, you can communicate and get your desired result. Related to the children, if you are planning for the children, this is also a good year. Till the November also, till the April also, the Jupiter remain there, and thereafter Saturn also enter. Both the way you have a chance to get a good result in your child planning. So those who are planning for the child, you will be getting good result during the planning. Pregnancy also will be good throughout the year. You will not face any problem in the pregnancy. And those already have a child and they are worried about the child, they will also get a positive result. So related to their education, related to their marriage, their career, whatever aspect is causing you a problem, you will find a solution so that you will get relief. They will be benefited so that you will be also peaceful. It has just started in 2 months, in the November and December 2021, will continue for the further 4 months, and thereafter Saturn also will take care about your children and child pleasure. So nothing to worry about that also. Related to the disease, yeah, this is also something a precautionary thing, as the Ketu in the ascendant and Jupiter in 6th house, there might be a growing of something insidely which you will not get a symptoms. So you have to be very cautious, very careful about your health and disease aspect. 6th house Jupiter will grow internally, a stomach, intestine or anything which is already being there, a small problem, it will gradually grow. And simultaneously Ketu in this house will not give you any symptoms. So Jupiter also will remain for throughout the year. Ketu also remain 1st house in throughout the year. So you should be always taking care. Minor thing also, if any minor element is also there, you have to take care and you have to take immediate precaution for that and to get a relief. So related to disease, not to worry, but you have to always be alert. Same way, those who are seeking for the job, those who are doing the good job, those who are seeking for the new job, for you also it is good time. Although the health wise or disease wise Jupiter is not good, but related to your job, it will give you a good amount of a growth. So after the April, throughout the year, when the Jupiter remain in your 6th house, you will be getting good financial growth and position wise growth in your life. So not to worry about it. Career wise, job wise, you are safe and secure. Take a chance, take a new opportunity, take within the organization where you already work, you will be benefited. So no need to change. But suppose you are taking the decision of change also, that will be also fruitful and going to give you a good result. So nothing to worry about it, and you will be going to get a good result and finding the way out in the job. Good satisfactory year. Related to the marriage, those who are planning for the marriage, this is really not a good time. Till April, if you wish to decide, you can decide. Then it will be coming Rahu in your 7th house, may create any miscommunication or not giving you an expected result. So it will be better that if you wish and you already have somebody to communicate, immediately communicate and take the chance before April. After April, it may create some problem, disturbance, obstacles, and not going to finalize. Then you have to wait till 2023 middle, when Jupiter also come in your 7th house. Then something can be work out. But till that time, it will be really a tough time for you for a relationship. Those who are already married will also face lot of a disturbance and dispute when Rahu will enter by April 22. So from now onward, try to have a peaceful life and solve your problem amicably. And don't create any sin. Don't remain any misunderstanding between the partner, between the spouse. So better clear your things with the communication, not to hide anything and not to create anything in the mind suspiciously. That is very cautious 12 things you have to keep in the mind. As a Rahu come in your 7th house and moon is covered with the Ketu, so it may be a dry feelings and you will be feeling that somebody's opponent is creating some scene. But don't worry, it is nothing. It is only apprehension and fear and anxiety it is creating. So related to the marriage, you have to be very careful. Those who are seeking for the foreign traveling, foreign settlement, yes, it is a promising year. You may be planning for the foreign settlement, foreign planning, foreign settlement, traveling, for education purpose, for the career related traveling. Yes, you can go ahead for this. And those who are in the waiting of a PR, waiting of this, they will also be getting a positive response related to their settlement. Not to worry. Related to the business and profession, better if you are planning for any partnership, you should hold. Either you should pursue your own self or you should continue in the big organization under someone. So this is not a real time for the business growth. This is not a good time for the professionally highly activated. Continue your work, but without any expansion. Continue what you are doing, I am not denying, but don't feel or don't expect any expansion, new business, new venture in this year. That is to be restricted. Whatever you are doing, whatever you are running currently, continue this without expecting any expansion in business and profession. Coming to the investment purpose, yes, it is somewhat a dry period. You should not take a call till April, because till April 2nd house Ketu is there, will not give you feelings, and thereafter when Ketu come in your 1st house, it will dry up your moon, will not able to give you a right decision. For investment, I will advise to take somebody's expert opinion so that you will be not in the wrong direction and not going to have any problem. So 100% you will be not doing any investment by your own choice, but take one or two suggestion or any consultation. Thereafter you should proceed for the any investment. There is no loss or higher expenses it is included. So no expenses, expenditure or loss is indicating this year. Only thing is that you should not take any financial call by yourself. You have to consult two people. You have to follow somebody's advice. Then only you should take a call. Otherwise you should restrict your decision for the year. Remedy. This year a remedy for you is to pray Lord Ketu. Ketu is the Lord Ganesha. So you should pray entire year Lord Ganesha. You can feed a dog. You may pet also dog. You may see my video who can pet dog or cat. That is very useful for you. So those who are suitable with the dog and cat, they can pet the dog this year and they will get a good result. It is not a short while, but really it will work for you. And continue doing the good work, good charity, because you may not feel good, but you have to continue. So best thing is that pray Lord Ganesha. That is the best remedy for the Ketu I have ever seen. So remedy wise, pray Lord Ganesha and feed the dog. That is the best remedy for you. Those who are going to purchase any properties, whether a residential or commercial, they also should take a call and decision or advice from others. Yes, if you want to repair your present work, present place, yes, because of Saturn in 4th house, you can repair your existing property, but to buy a new property, you have to take, as like an investment, you have to take a call, decision, advice from others, then only finalize. And better, if you have a choice not to buy this share, just keep. But if it is compelled to buy, then you should take a market risk, market suggestion and people's advice where and how to invest in the properties, whether commercial or whether your residential. So that you have to take care. Related to the litigation, yes, this is a relief for you, that in the litigation part, when Jupiter comes in the 6th house, it will try to give you amicable settlement and try to give you a way out. You should opt for the amicable settlement or alternate dispute resolution system so that you will come out from this. So peaceful settlement is a good way when Jupiter comes here, so that you will be getting benefit out of it, and whatever the losses you are incurring in the litigation will be stopped. So any dispute is there, any conspiracy is there, any litigation is there, try to face this and make a way out and make it settle, so that it will not cause you any hardship in the future. Related to the social and friend circle, they are there available to you. Only thing, you are somewhat feeling dry, so you